Hello and welcome to Casparency once again. I am Shahid. As you know, I am going to host the entire session. So before I start, let me give you a standard disclaimer, which is mandatory. I am not SEBI registered. Let me clear this first. Our content are intended to be used for informational purpose. It's important for you to do your own analysis because we are not responsible for your profit as well as your losses. The stock market is a high risk, high reward kind of a business, and it's not suitable for everyone. Past performance doesn't guarantee you any future results. This is only for the educational purpose. Whatever you find on our website or on YouTube channel is purely for educational purposes. I hope I am making sense to you and I'm clear. So today's topic is risk management. Most of the people avoid talking about this. Risk management is something which is more important than anything. Like a stock market, if you are a trader, I'm not talking about the investor. In the case of trader, the risk management is something which plays 80% role in your trading journey. If without risk management, it is not possible for you to make any penny out of a market. So in this video, we are going to talk about risk management and how to calculate risk before entering into the trade. As you had seen the topic here, I already written it down. And if you have any doubt, please come to my website, go to the forum section and write it down. Let me show you where you can find the forum. So once you write Casparency on Google, the very first link which comes will redirect to my website. So you'll have to go there, forum. Give us some time. Okay, you'll have to click here to the create new post, start a discussion, and you can write whatever you want and just publish it. Whenever I'll get time to see it, I'll reply you at that moment only. So let's come back to our topic. What is risk management? How we can calculate this? According to me, the trading is 80% risk management and 20% strategy, or what you say, stock selection and everything. Even in 20%, the stock selection plays 10% role itself. So the strategy is only 10% of the market. Us in Casparency, we believe in consistency more than accuracy. So let's directly go to this chart and let's see it practically. What I'm trying to say. Let's say you want to buy a stock at a price of 340 and your stop loss is 336. This is just an example. Okay, so how we can calculate this before entering into a trade? So you will have to use this formula: buying price minus stop loss price divided by the amount of money you are ready to lose or the ready to risk. Let's say in this particular trade, I want to risk 500 rupees and I don't want to take more than 500 rupees risk. Like in the morning, whenever the market open, I already decided that in this particular trade, I am going to risk 500 rupees. So how we can calculate the amount of a stock which we are allowed to trade risking 500 rupees? So the formula, let's dig into the formula. So the buying price here is 340, the stop loss is 336. So you want to risk 500 rupees. Let's calculate buying price minus stop loss price. That means 340 minus 336 is equal to 4. Okay, if you subtract 340 minus 336, then you will get 4. So you'll have to divide 500 divided by 4. You will get 125 stock. So by risking 500 rupees, you can only trade 125 stocks of a particular security or a particular company, you can say. So this is the way you can calculate your risk before entering into a trade to have a peaceful trade. Actually, what happened is whenever we take a trade, we started panicking because we don't know how much amount we are going to lose. First clear that this much is what you are ready to risk in a particular trade. That will give you a peace of mind and that will help you to be patient. All of my strategies depend on this risk management. So for all the strategies which are uploaded on this YouTube channel, the risk management is very important for that. I want you to watch this video before watching any of the strategy video, and even if I'll upload any video, I'll literally put it on the first thing that you'll have to watch this. So to automate this task, I made an Excel sheet here. So this is something we sell on our website. This is not free. This is what I made for myself. Let's say your account value is 10,000 rupees and you want to risk 1%. Now you can even fill this amount whatever you have, and you can feel how much risk you want to take. Let's say on every trade I take a risk of 5%. Okay, it's not mandatory that you also gonna take 5% risk. It's up to you that how much risk you can take. And then you have this column which says short or long. Let's say for buying a stock you can go for a long, for selling a stock you can short. Okay, so let's take this example. My buying price is 340, stop loss is 336. So entry price is 340. Sorry, you need to clear this. 340. And my stop loss here is 336. So you'll have to put this 336. You are going long on this trade, so I'll have to select long. So here you can get the quantity, point quantity. That means the amount of stock you can buy is 125, and the maximum loss which occur if your trade goes against you is 500 rupees. Hope I'm making sense. You can watch it twice, and I want to explain this Excel sheet in depth. So this green column, you don't need to touch any of the column because the formulas are already given. You can only this is something which I made for a trader to track on their P&Ls. Let's say on a date of 26 2020. Account size will be same as 10,000. Side, you will have to put a side, it's like long. P&L is like we made 500 rupees on this trade, so we get a 5% return. So this column will be automatically filled, and this cumulative returns will be automatically put it here in a graphical way. So if you are interested in buying this, you can jump into my website, click on the digital products, just slide down, and you will get this automatic risk management calculator. Just click on the buy now. You can buy, and it will be automatically downloaded on the device you wanted to, or you are using it, you can say. So thank you for watching this small video. This video might be a small, but this video is something which is more important than any strategy video, because if you know how much money you are risking to make how much money, the trade will be in a peaceful manner. You don't have to panic. Like, you already know if the trade goes against you, the losses are already predefined. Thank you so much for watching.